We make our creamy, buttery mashed potatoes from scratch, which means you can too. Here's how we do it at Urban Plates. Start out by peeling your potatoes. Cut them up into smaller pieces about an inch thick. Add to a pot with cold water and a teaspoon of salt and let boil. Once it's boiling, let it cook for about 12 to 15 minutes. While you wait, heat some milk and bring to just below a simmer. Cut up your butter to be about half an inch thick, and once your potatoes are tender, drain and transfer to a mixing bowl. If you don't have access to a mixing bowl, a hand mixer or potato masher will work just fine. Mix for about a minute, and then add your butter, add salt and pepper, add the hot milk, and mix until completely smooth. Once there are no lumps, go ahead and serve. Garnish with some butter, and there you have it. Here are the ingredients for you to screenshot.